Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Back on the Presidential Shake job. Early 7:15 start. Guys just got on the roof. Everybody's harnessed in. See, it froze last night, so you see the dark line where Manuel started installing. There's a good chance we're going to finish it today. We've got maybe 20 squares left. Everybody's making good progress with the trash cleanup. Need some obvious details to be addressed. Reflashing the chimney. We're going to have one pallet to send back to Beacon, but special order, we didn't want to take any chances. Such a nice piece of property. Geese out by the water. A lot of trash. We're gonna pack that 30-yard dumpster completely full. Got the pool covered up nice. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous piece of land. And that's what's left on the backside. So we will give it our best shot. I think we definitely can finish today. Got hip and ridge, chimney flashing, complete cleanup, but all that'll go pretty quick. So call us if we can help you out with your custom, difficult access, or any other type of performance roofing systems. We're Shingle Master certified. Got an excellent crew. It's been with us since 2007. We'll get it right for you the first time. 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.